Spicer greaseable universal joint with snap rings. Outside snap ring style, OSR. 1330 series. Bearing cap diameter, 1.062 inches. Bearing cap to bearing cap, 3.625 inches. Spicer genuine OE replacement. Outside snap rings. Outside to outside dimension, 3.625 inch. Bearing cup size, 1.062 inch. 2-1203, CP213X, 433. Spicer U-joint kit, 1330 series. Spicer parts are engineered to ensure longer life for vehicles in a wide variety of applications. That's because Spicer parts are manufactured to the exact standards and specifications as original equipment parts. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely durable. I use this product on my 4.0 Jeep YJ. I take my Jeep on rough roads, rougher trails. I don't have a slip yoke eliminator kit, so there's more stress with my 3.5 lift. I had these on my Jeep for 4 years, 30,000 plus miles, so I ordered new ones. When I popped one off and inspected it, it was still slick with grease and smooth spinning. I inspected the others as well. I lube them once a year. I am keeping them on. Now I have spares.